In the given question, they have mentioned area of a triangle is equal to half of area of square. We need to find this is the area of a triangle. They have given perimeter of square means 4a. What is perimeter of square? That is equal to 4a. They have given 172. What is a? Oh, 4, 16, 4, 3, 2. A is equal to what is no substitute here. What is area of a square? It is equal to half of what is area of a square? That will be a square. What is a square? Half of 43 whole square. That is area of a triangle is equal to area of triangle is equal to half of 43 square. That is half of 1849 centimeter square. That is equal to 924.5 centimeter square. This is the answer.